What is up, guys? It's Christian240SX. Came here with a package from Tunicle, and yeah, let's open it up. I ordered a couple of shirts, and let's see what we got. So we got here. Yep, we got my receipt right here. I'll get that trash away. And I got my next 10% off my order, and I'm not gonna show you guys the code because I'm planning on using this. And here are my shirts. So I got these in a size small. I got the 1970 Nissan GTR. No, not the 1970. I think it's about that year. And then I got the RB26 Skyline motor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, it came with a Tunicle sticker right here. And these shirts, I honestly thought these shirts were going to be a little softer from what I've heard, but you know, it is what it is, you know. The printing's pretty nice. Doesn't seem like it'll crack pretty easily, but the quality of the shirt, it could be softer, and I like this one a lot. The quality of the shirt, it's the same. And that's pretty much it. These are my two shirts. Got them both in black. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.